everybody, welcome to the Ridgway Dollhouse. I'm Raggedy, this is Annie. Well, it was kind of good. But
Yeah.
hey, why do you have so many dolls, hon?
We're going to give Larry a little warning. You did text Joe today, right?
Yes, I did. I said everybody's in. We're good.
And did you tell him what we're doing? That we're giving a little warning?
I did, but I was kind of vague. I didn't want to give away everything to him, even though he says he's like in with us and everything. But there's always that possibility he could be,
So you told him we were, but not everything exactly.
I didn't exactly, yes.
Not all the details.
Never give away the details of anything.
Okay.
So, but why do you have so many dolls?
Well, Larry, when he was a kid,
Look like that
always
baby. He had
scared.
hair though.
he was always scared of dolls, and especially their eyes. He used to poke their eyes out because they gave him the creeps, and I think he had nightmares and everything. So this is something that's ongoing with him. I don't think
This
he
one's
likes
got like
dolls.
blood on its ass.
So, oh, must have hit something.
Yeah.
Anyway, so I got these dolls here that we're going to just, give them a little warning.
But why do you have such ugly dolls? They always try to make dolls like decent looking.
Because for Halloween one year we had a doll cemetery, so we had just gathered a whole bunch of dolls.
They should have been left in there.
So what we're going to do is we're just going to Gussie the Gussie.
Is
that
that
the right word?
Gussieing? Look.
No, it's not.
It's got hair plugs. Look.
We're just going to make them look a little creepy.
Creepier than usual, because they are pretty damn creepy.
Yeah. So
Did you make this outfit when you were a little girl? Look, it's all hand knitted.
Hon, I don't knit, and you know that.
Right.
Okay, so we have magic markers.
So we're just going to be doctoring these up a little bit, and then.
Yeah.
And I just want to get something out. I am not paying Joe. I am not doing it. I'm sorry.
But like maybe, he's got 3 kids, and if this is really going to be like a hardship, then
it's his choice.
We could give him a little something.
No, I give him a pat on the back and attaboy, that, a beer, a little food, that stuff, but I'm not paying. I'm against it, dead set against it. So, and I know you're always the nice person, and you always want to, help everybody.
I was taken aback a little bit, but I after reflecting on it, I thought, well, he has 3 kids. And
everybody has kids in this day and age. Everybody has bills, but it was kind of brazen to say, "Hey, you gonna pay me?"
Yeah, but I understand where he's coming from.
Okay, I'll give you that part. I understand. I do understand, but
if you feel that you don't want to do that,
right.
well, we won't do it.
Okay, good.
Okay, so
Yeah,
let's get these doll babies. Oh,
this one's already got like blush on it. Look, I think it even has lipstick. Look at that. That's kind of weird.
Oh, I should probably get a little rubber band and just have her hair straight up. That would be fun. Well, I wonder if I could do it.
How's that? A little scar face. Get one under the chin. Blacken some nails. This is going to be like Evil Doll. That was Larry back in softball days. Remember, he always had the hair sticking up, and he had the mullet for a while.
Mullet.
Yeah. That's when he had hair.
He still has hair. If he let it grow.
Yeah, he'd have 4.
Jeffrey.
Maybe 4.
What can we do with this?
Well, you don't want to cover up their hair with it, like a, you know, that. Why don't we put a present in?
You mean use it like a...
Like maybe like a diaper and put something in it?
Something in it?
Yeah, I think we should. You know.
Okay, I think I got your meaning.
Okay. I didn't want to get too close
so
and too much.
We're gonna make this into a diaper.
And we're gonna put a present in it.
Gotcha.
And we got plenty of fresh presents around. Okay. So you ready for the hunt?
Yep.
Come on. I seen this one a little earlier when I was out with you know who.
Okay.
Very firm consistency too. So we may have to do some added work to it.
Wait. Oh.
Isn't that fresh looking?
And what is that on it?
That's what I gotta pick it up. Look
That's not healthy.
Well, it's not mine.
Who made that?
John. Hey, what's that on it?
I don't know.
It's like ass
Looks like
secretions.
some kind of mucus. Oh, Jeff.
If you were on a deserted island.
Look at you. You know how to tie your shoes. You walk around like that.
I don't care. Okay, if you were on a deserted island
No, I
and
would
all
not
you
eat it.
had was
No.
a big golden turd, would you crunch on it?
No.
What if you were starving to death?
I don't care.
People drink
well,
urine.
I'm sure there's got to be plants there. Right?
Yeah. What if there isn't? You're on a deserted island. You've got nothing else.
So I would eat my own poop?
What are you going to do?
No.
You're going to die, or you got to eat and drink your urine?
I think that would kill you, wouldn't it?
I don't know. If that's all I got. All right. Okay, if you're on a deserted island, what would be the food you bring with you then? Only one thing.
Eggs. Oh
Eggs?
no, then I couldn't cook them. Oh yeah, I could. I'd make a fire.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Let's look at that.
Well, you can't stick that whole thing in that.
No, but I'm making mush.
Okay.
I want to know what that freaking...
It's mucus.
Oh.
Oh, you took a... Oh my God, that's horrible.
That is smell.
Yeah.
I'm not even breathing through my nose. You know that, right?
Oh my God.
It's like when you have garlic.
Oh, he's going to
I don't even breathe through my nose when you eat garlic. So.
Well, back at you, brother.
Thank you.
Or not brother.
Brother? What are you? That's kind of weird. Oh my God, that's bad. I just got a real whiff of that.
It is bad.
Let's get this full.
That's an awful lot to put in that.
I'm told you, I spoon it in.
Okay.
Oh, there's a hair.
Oh,
That's it. Like a doggy ass hair. It is disgusting.
Okay.
Watch
All right.
you open up that thing.
Why don't I open that up?
Open that up.
All right, well, I'm going to have to turn the other camera on.
All right, switch the other camera.
Okay.
Good, wait, get a good look at that.
I did. I got a good thing
Oh
on
my
that.
God. And that's good dog food we give them. How'd you pick up the legs?
Don't you remember how to change a diaper?
Yeah, but I'm going to be gentle with this because I don't want it on. Is that enough?
That's plenty. Oh, well, you might need a little bit more. Because it's got to stink. And
It stinks,
Next one
it's
I'd
bad.
go a little lower. Okay, that's enough. Oh, that's a lot. Ooh. Okay. All right. Oh.
I'll put this over here.
Oh, this is going to be disgusting. Okay.
Here, you want me to help you? I didn't touch myself when I did.
Well, we're
Wait
going
a minute. I'll pull the leg. There you
They
go.
can't go apart.
They can't?
No,
The hell you can't. Well, we just gotta have to know how to hold it.
Well, it's going to sit.
Right. Squeeze it. Remember how when the
Okay.
kids, sometimes the diarrhea
yeah,
would sip
come
out the sides?
Yes, it was disgusting.
That's probably what's going to happen.
Okay.
You good?
Now let me see if we can sit her.
Really? I wouldn't sit her yet.
Well, it's
What if
easier to get her in the seat position now than having to do it when we get there. Ooh, look at that.
Oh, look at that. Yeah, that's going to be bad. That's why I mean, don't
Okay.
just leave her.
We'll put her dress down.
Yep. God, this is nasty.
Right.
And then when
Then we got to make a note.
right when
And
we
we're going
get
to
there,
put it
flip
in her mouth.
Right. When we flip her back, that's one ugly baby. And nobody ever likes to say that's an ugly baby, but that's an ugly baby. You ever notice that? Why do people do that? Oh, that's a cute baby when they know it's ugly.
Hon, no baby is ugly.
Yes, there are some ugly
Oh,
babies.
stop it.
Really?
Yeah, so we
there
could
are
set it up-
ugly babies.
We could set it up like this. And
Oh,
let's
your baby is so precious. That's a way of people saying, your kid's ugly.
stop picking on Joe.
Stop picking on Joe. I like that.
But do it in writing that looks like a kid or something. Stop picking on Joe, and then just say, we got our eyes on you. Nice. Where do you think would be the perfect place?
I don't know. I was thinking like the lounge area. Car. Well, car. I don't know. It's a crapshoot with it if they're unlocked or not. What?
I think actually, he always, you know what? He always sits in the same chair.
Out of the
in
lounge. Yeah.
So we could put it right in there.
All right.
But he'll definitely see it. He goes out every day.
Right. All right. I'll put it there.
Okay. All right. Package is secure.
Did you poop yourself?
Hey, that's not nice.
It smells like poop.
Well, why do you think that is?
I know. I'm gonna gag.
Okay, you're gonna pull on the side road, right?
Yep. And we're good. You breathe through your nose?
Go through the gate, I guess.
Yeah.
And you know for sure, right, that he's not here.
Yep. Know for sure. Joe let me know. They went to Stewart's Root Beer in Vineland tonight, and you know why.
Because that's where they met.
That's right. He's such the hopeless romantic, isn't he?
That's nice.
It is nice. How do you remember every year, though? I guess because springtime? You remember that's where you met?
I guess. I don't know. So we don't have to be sneaky or anything. Oh,
No.
Tom's probably still.
Tom's in there gaming or something.
He's always
You
gaming.
can't see anyway.
There you go. Be gentle.
Hopefully this
with
thing
the
hasn't
doll
leaked
babies.
out.
I wish I could see his face when he sees them.
Just making sure. Hold on. Hold on. Alright, kitchen light's not on.
Okay.
God, that stinks.
Get up there.
Why?
Why don't you look around?
Huh? You smell this thing. This is horrible. I can't believe that you would do this to your brother. That's just the gate back there. Don't panic. do this stuff with my sleeve. See? You made one ugly baby. Look at.
Oh, that is perfect. But you know what? Let me get a good shot. I mean, at least if I can't see his face. Oh, she's. I think the little one's falling over a little bit. Fix her up a little bit.
I touched it because the shit could have leaked out. There. Is that good?
Okay. God, I wish we could see it.
You just did.
No, I mean when he sees it. That looks so cool.
Does? Larry's probably going to.
He's probably gonna flip out. Nice. Oh.
Go ahead. Oh, I'm just going to shut it for you. You know,
What?
hopeless gentleman.
I wonder what that's for.
What?
The black cover.
I think he put that up because he said people sometimes look through here and they can see up there through the cracks.
Really?
And you know, when he sunbathes nude, he didn't want that to be looking. That's why, you know why he's got the fence here.
Yeah.
They're weird nudists.
And you still haven't tied your shoes.
I don't care about tying my shoes. Why is your brother a nudist anyway?
Hon, you're not supposed to say that on camera.
I don't care. It isn't me.
All right. High five.
High five. What?
Good job.
That was a backhand too.
Nice.
Good job. Nice. And hopefully he doesn't get that shit smell on his hands. Ah!